Dredge the chicken. Dredge the chicken. Allow the chicken to swim in this. Right, you have all the fun on one side and you gotta come on the other side now. You gotta remember, we wanna make sure we give a good coverage for all of the birds. We don't need no birds complaining about why I didn't get wet. But we're gonna make sure you get wet, all right? Don't worry about that. We're gonna make sure you get wet right on up. Whatever excess sauce that you have is okay. Just let it run free and let it run loose in the pan. That way the top and the bottom of the chicken gonna absorb all of this good juice. Final phase or stage for this is to be reheated, so that tomorrow everything is fully dredged, and that's what is going to come up perfect. All right, guys. So that's your Marsala chicken drumsticks with mushroom and red peppers. The snowflakes features that you're seeing is the time of the season. You know, we are in sunny Florida, and we may not see snow, but we could create some. And this is an appetizing bite for me because it actually has some in-depthness. It has that feature, that look. Just kind of sets it in the spirit of Christmas. So guess what? If you have the time, please join me tomorrow. And let us feast and eat what the Lord has prepared for us all to enjoy. Be blessed, and I'll see you on the morrows.